Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to print a quality report, which is kind of like a test page, on a HP OfficeJet 5230. This is nice and simple. We know from the printer itself, using nothing but the touchscreen you can see here. Now to get started, you need to be on the home screen of the printer, which should look like this. If you're not already here, a little home icon will be lit on the left hand side, which will take you here. Now the first thing we need to do is drag the screen to the left till we can get to setup. Press to go into setup. And then we need to go into Tools, which is the third option down at the bottom here. Press to go in there, and then we're going to drag this page up until we see Print Quality Report. Press to go into that, and your printer will automatically jump into printing the page mentioned. The page itself looks something like this, and breaks down the black, cyan, magenta, and yellow that your printer uses from the two installed cartridges. The light cyan, light magenta, and light yellow are just lighter shades of those colours there, not their own separate parts of the print head, so you don't need to worry too much. And what you are looking for is any kind of breaks or missing stripes or even missing colours on this, which would indicate there's a blockage in the print head of one of the two cartridges that needs resolving. If you are experiencing anything like that, I'd recommend back at the printer, just dragging the page down until you've got clean cartridges on there and going through that process, which is a great first step in resolving any print quality issues, and also prints more of these pages so you can check the results of your clean. Now please do leave me a like if this video has been useful for you. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.